Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. And yeah, just another. I mean, the indexes continue to go higher, and then there's some interesting patterns that we're seeing in the markets as we head towards monthly options expiration. So let's talk about that. So SPG and 160. Okay, what's going on there? And what we're doing with monthly expiration is that we look at what I would just call individual stocks that maybe a lot of people don't trade or hear of, as well as name stocks. And so what we're looking at here is Simon Property Group. You see we got a 160 fly, which essentially is selling a 160 straddle with protection. So if you look at the 160 strike, you'll notice that there's decent open interest on the call side and the put side. And what we're looking, and within the expected move, and what we're looking for is that it's going to hover around 160 into Friday monthly expiration. And as it hovers, we sold this for a 303 credit, and then every day we drop, we make a little bit of money based on the theta decay as it continues to hover around that. So what are, based on that idea, based on that theory, what are some other stocks that we've looked at? Well, another one here was Home Depot. Now Home Depot, we did this one at the 155 strike, and you can see here clearly there's pretty decent open interest here on the call side, and then open interest on the put side, and I love it. And now what happened with this is that we actually got down, we dropped far enough that the call side actually got worthless, like it was only worth a nickel. So we bought that back since we'd made all our money there. So now we're just looking to see if it can rally back up to that 155 strike, which is within the expected move for the most part, give or take, and make some money on the put side, which is a double whammy on the good side. And then some ones we added today were Johnson & Johnson. We're looking at this at the 135 level, and from there we added Pep Boys. We're looking at this at the 115 level, and then finally Target. So these are all some fun ones that I like to do, and I do these every monthly expiration. And if you look at some of these, you'll just kind of see just like, okay, now they're starting to get quiet and they're starting to kind of pin around these key levels, and it's just important to understand, what they are. So pinning is one thing, and then the other thing that I like to do as well is if you look at things like Facebook, Facebook and especially Amazon, they offer these opportunities for some fairly fun kind of day trading type things during monthly expiration as well. Just based on what I was talking about with that movement between the various strikes. For those of you that have never traded monthly options expiration, it is a lot of fun. If you are not a member of our site, where we do this in our trading room, of course, but if you're not a member and would like to participate in that, we are going to be doing a monthly options expiration class coming up this Friday. Okay, I'm going to try this again. I hit the refresh button. So we are going, this actually has details of the class. So what's happening is in our live gold membership, so for those of you that are gold members, don't worry, you'll be doing this on Friday. But if you're not a gold member and you've always wanted to learn more about monthly expiration, because there's a lot of unique opportunities that happen during monthly expiration that Friday that don't happen at any other times, we're going to be doing a 3-hour class, myself, Henry, and Bruce, for 3 hours, and it is $97. So you can come in and check it out. Again, if you're a gold member, don't worry about it. This is something that we're going to be doing during the class, during the live broadcast. And then if you've never done it, to say that the strategies and the things that we do during this 3-hour chunk of time doing a one lot more than repay the investment that you made is an understatement. There's just a lot of unique opportunities, and looking forward to showing you some of those. All right, you guys have a good one. Simplertrading.com/OPEX for options expiration, and we'll see you at the next update.